Hello and welcome to YogaUnion. This video is about our hybrid 200-hour Vinyasa yoga teacher training, and we're going to answer some of the most frequently asked questions. So let's dive in. This course offers a combination of an online part and on-site part. It's designed for everyone who wants to join our 200-hour yoga teacher training, but just don't have the time to join us for 3 full weeks. The course itself is very flexible, so that the online part can be completed from wherever you want, whenever you want, in your very own pace. Let's start with the online part. Once you paid your deposit, you will get access to our online platform, Teachable. You will also get the full course material for our 200-hour online yoga teacher training. It will be available for 6 full months, so that you have enough time to go through all the content the time you need. We strongly recommend completing the philosophy and anatomy part of the online sessions, as these lay a solid foundation. We also encourage you to complete some of the asana practices and afternoon workshops, as these prepare you perfectly for the on-site part of the training. If you wonder if you should complete the online part before or after the on-site part, this is completely up to you. The course is designed as flexible as it can be, so that it suits your needs. If you feel like completing it before, that's great. If you just don't have the time and you want to complete it after the on-site part, that's totally okay too. Let's start with the on-site part of the training. The schedule is aligned with our 200-hour Vinyasa yoga teacher training, and you will start on a Sunday. You will finish the training on Wednesday the second week, which means you will stay for 10 days in total, including 8 active training days in the training. Let's dive into the on-site schedule. Every day looks kind of the same. You will start each morning with pranayama, which are breathing techniques, followed by your asana practice, either Vinyasa or Ashtanga. After your breakfast break, you will continue with alignment class, where you get to know each pose exactly and how to adjust those, followed by some lunch, and continues with the afternoon lessons, which is either anatomy or philosophy. You finish your day with some afternoon workshops, which include different styles of yoga to give you an idea what else is out there. This can be restorative yoga, yin yoga, hatha, or some workshops around, for example, inversions, chaturanga, or things like this. Our days are designed to deepen your knowledge and understanding of Vinyasa yoga. Sundays is a day off and offers you time to finally relax and recharge. This course is a unique combination of online and on-site training. The online part provides you with all the theoretical knowledge and then allows you to invoke in the practical part on-site in your 10-day stay during the training in person. This blended approach ensures the flexibility without losing the in-depth and hands-on experience. Let's talk about the exams. For the practical exam, you'll have to upload a 30-minute video of you teaching a Vinyasa flow. This can either be alone by yourself or with a student of your choice. To submit your video, you will contact our online course coordinator via WhatsApp. Our course coordinator will then share a Google Drive link with you where you can upload your video, and you will get your feedback from your teacher within approximately 2 weeks, depending on the workload of the teacher. The written exam is conducted live via Google Meet. It's always scheduled at the end of each month, and again you have to contact your online course coordinator to get the schedule and to be able to pick the right date for yourself. Before the exam, you will receive 3 links via mail to access the essay questions. The exam itself lasts around 2 hours, and you will submit your answers directly on the platform. One of our teachers will be live with you to answer all your questions during your exam. Both exams can be taken after completing the on-site part of the training. There's no rush. You can take them whenever you feel ready. Let's wrap it up. Our hybrid 200-hour Vinyasa yoga teacher training combines online part, which allows you 6-month access to the whole material and gives you enough time to study, and the onsite part, which has 10 days in total, including 8 full active training days. The exams are split in 2. The practical exam is a 30-minute video of you teaching a Vinyasa flow, and the online written exam, which will be live and a teacher will be there with you. This hybrid structure combines flexibility, in-depth, and a well-rounded yoga teacher training. It's designed to meet our high quality of training and still allows you to get all the knowledge, even though you're not able to participate 3 full weeks in total. I hope this video answers all your questions, and we will see you soon either in Bali or in Greece. If you have any more questions, please reach out to us and send an email to training@yogaunionbali.com. Thank you. Namaste.